Setting up a new printer or your printer just stopped printing? Try to print and you get an error, or worse, nothing happens? Here's a short video on steps you can take to get your printer to work for you. LynchburgIT.com. Training videos, laptops, and IT consulting.
This is a high-level video of how your PC connects to your printer to help you understand what is not working. Your printing requires a connection to your printer and driver software so that your computer understands your printer. Here we have a small office with a physical printer, computer, and a router, also called a modem or default gateway. We will start testing these connections from our computer by connecting to the router web interface with its IP address. To get the IP address of the router, type in CMD for a command prompt and press enter. Type the command ipconfig and press enter. We are looking for the default gateway IP address. Here, mine is 192.168.0.1. Yours may be different, but probably starts with 192.168 something dot something. Next, open a browser and type in the IP address in the URL field. This pulls up the web interface to your router. Here, my router is a CenturyLink router. Yours may be different. Default login passwords can be found with a Google search, but be sure to change once you get logged in. I am clicking on device status to get into the menus. Next, I am clicking on device table. Your router may look different, but search the tabs for a device table. The device table shows all devices in your network or home that are connected to your router. I am looking for the printer and find that the IP address is 192.168.0.12. Now, open another browser and type in that IP address. This pulls up the web interface to my printer. I clicked on Network Connections and I can confirm that I am connected to my Canon MX470 printer. In order to print, both your computer and printer need to be connected to the network. If they are not, you will not be able to print. Often, problems with losing connections to the printer are because the printer was shut off or the power or network cable got unplugged. So be sure to check these simple fixes. If you are connecting to your printer with a wireless connection, then the SID and password will have to be entered from the printer. If you would like more detailed video, just leave a comment. If you have the problem, someone else probably has the same problem. The second main component to printing is the driver on your computer. This is the software that works with your particular make of printer. They are all different and made by the printer manufacturer. The printer driver is found by opening the control panel. Click Devices and Printers. Here I see my driver for my printer, Canon MX470. Yours will be different if you have a different printer. The other Microsoft printers here are all defaults and you can ignore them. We are looking for an icon with the name of your printer. If you do not have an icon, you need to load a driver. Open a browser and search printer driver and the make and model of your printer. In my case, MX470 Canon. It is a good idea to pick a link with a URL that has the manufacturer in it, in my case, Canon. On the site, search for driver. Make sure it says the operating system that you have, Windows 7 or Windows 10, and download the file. Once downloaded, double-click to run the application and it will install the driver. Back on the control panel, you will have a printer with the name of the printer you installed, and you will now be able to print from Microsoft Word or email. If you still have trouble, reach out to me. I can help.
I hope you got something out of this video, and let me know if you have any questions, and comment on what you think of the video. Let me know what topics you'd like to learn more about. Please like and share this video. If you subscribe, you will get notified when a new video is posted about every week.